So I was told not to give you this recipe. I was told not to give you this formulation, but this is something that you could easily make from home, bring to the table, and make a high profit margin. Now, if you ever seen someone with dark black lips, I'm talking about look like the black and mild burnt the end of their lips. If you ever seen someone like that, now you got a scrub that is going to help change their life. And this is going to be a blueberry smoker scrub or a blueberry sugar scrub for smokers' lips. And this is how we make it. The first ingredient that we're going to go with is 1.6 ounces of refined shea butter. Now, you could use any other butter. The only other butter that I would use instead of shea butter would be kapuchusu. But let's go with 1.6 ounces of refined shea butter. By the way, this is going to be for a 5-pound batch. Now, let's use about 4 ounces of stearic acid. This is going to thicken the formula and helps to give it a really good structure and spreadability. Now, next, 12 ounces of sunflower seed oil. This is going to be our lightweight emollient that's high in vitamin E. So it's going to help to retain that moisture and make our lips look good. 3.04 ounces of blueberry seed oil. This is rich in antioxidants. It's going to help to brighten and repair our lips. Now let's add in about 4 ounces of jojoba oil. This is going to be one of our other base oil. This is going to provide a really nice slip, and it's also going to help to moisturize and support our healthy lips. For our flavor, we're going with this amazing blueberry flavor oil. We're going to use about 0.8 ounces of it. Now, if you want more, go ahead and add a little bit more depending on how strong you want that flavor to be. Now, 0.16 or 0.16 ounces of vitamin E. This is going to be the ingredient that makes sure our oils don't go rancid. So we're going to add that in and we're going to be perfect. 54.4 ounces of regular white sugar. I'm talking about the cheap Walmart, Kroger, Stater Brothers, wherever you are, grab a bag of sugar. This is going to be our exfoliant. This is going to be the thing that physically sloshes off the dead skin and the dead cells and to help stimulate the renewal and the health that we need. Now, making this is super simple. We're going to break it into 2 sections. So phase A and phase B. Phase B is our oils. Phase A is our melts. So phase A, we're going to melt down our stearic acid and our shea butter. Now, once that is melted down and is starting the cooling process, go ahead and add in your sunflower seed, your blueberry seed oil, and your jojoba oil. At this point, start whipping it all up. I like to add in our vitamin E and our sugar. And then last but not least, add in your flavor oil. Package it up, take it to market, and sell it. Listen, I even got a full breakdown in here for you. Comment below for it. Now, a few random people came to my masterclass and they followed my sugar scrub recipe. One said she did $600, 600 and something dollars in a week. Here's another screenshot of somebody else making a killing following these simple recipes. You need to go ahead and sign up for my masterclass. Link is in the bio.